Tammy Slaton, the fan favorite star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again left viewers stunned, but this time, not because of controversy or chaos. For the first time since undergoing her highly anticipated surgery to remove excess skin around her neck and face, particularly the sagging jowl area that had long concerned both fans and medical professionals, the world is getting a close-up look at the transformed woman she's become. Known for her larger-than-life personality and tumultuous health journey, Tammy's appearance has long been a major topic of discussion among fans of the show. From near-death experiences to her triumphant stint in rehab and eventual major weight loss, she has consistently been at the center of the most intense moments on 1000 LB Sisters. However, with her dramatic weight loss came the inevitable challenge that many bariatric surgery patients face: excess skin. While Amy Slaton, her sister, was more vocal and visually open about her body changes following her surgeries and pregnancies, Tammy's transformation was kept largely under wraps. Until now, recent images from the upcoming season and behind-the-scenes leaks reveal that Tammy has finally had her sagging jowl skin removed, and the results are nothing short of jaw-dropping, both literally and figuratively. Fans are praising her bravery and resilience, and some are even comparing her new look to what they call a miracle rebirth. While the exact timeline of her procedure has not been fully confirmed, sources close to production say the operation took place several months ago in a high-end clinic specializing in post-bariatric skin reconstruction. The removal of excess skin from the jowl and neck region is not only cosmetically significant but also medically important. For Tammy, the sagging skin had reportedly caused recurring rashes, infections, and intense discomfort. Now, free from both physical and emotional burdens, she is stepping into her next chapter with newfound confidence. This transformation marks a key turning point in Tammy's personal and public narrative. For years, she battled intense criticism, harsh online trolling, and even medical emergencies, including the terrifying moment when she was placed in a medically induced coma after a near-fatal incident in 2021. Since then, Tammy's journey has been one of redemption and determination. Viewers have watched her fight for her life in literal terms, and now that she's reached this milestone, the conversation has shifted from survival to empowerment. In exclusive preview footage from the upcoming season, Tammy is seen entering a family gathering with her head held high, wearing a chic scarf and an unmissable smile that speaks volumes about how she feels on the inside. Family members including Amy and their brother Chris appear visibly emotional as they embrace the new Tammy, no longer weighed down, literally or figuratively, by the visible reminders of her previous health battles. One emotional scene captures Amy tearing up as she whispers, "You look like a brand new person." But for Tammy, the change is more than skin deep. Insiders say she has undergone a powerful emotional shift as well, thanks in part to therapy and a support system that finally seems to be working in her favor. The road to self-love wasn't always smooth. For many seasons, Tammy's struggles with mental health, food addiction, and codependence were evident. Her outbursts, mood swings, and denial frequently frustrated viewers and her own family, yet they also highlighted just how deeply embedded her issues were. But now, those close to her say she's a different woman entirely. "It's like she's finally seeing herself the way we always hoped she would," one source said. "Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally, she is stronger than ever." The surgery itself was reportedly intense and delicate. Experts explain that sagging jowl skin, especially in patients with a history of extreme obesity, can pose major challenges. There's a risk of nerve damage, scarring, and asymmetry. But Tammy appears to have been in the hands of top-tier professionals. The result is a sleeker jawline, a tighter neckline, and a face that still bears the unmistakable identity of Tammy Slaton but with a refreshed, almost regal presence. Her social media posts in recent weeks have been subtly hinting at the transformation. Though she wore scarves, filters, and strategic camera angles to keep the change under wraps, eagle-eyed fans speculated that something big was coming. Now that the first look is officially out, the reaction has been explosive. Forums are flooded with praise, awe, and emotional responses. "I cried when I saw her," one longtime fan wrote. "She has come so far and deserves all the happiness in the world." Another commented, Tammy is proof that it's never too late to turn your life around. TLC has also released a promotional clip teasing more changes to come, promising an unforgettable season of milestones, revelations, and reunions. While the skin removal marks a physical milestone, Tammy's journey seems to be on a spiritual high as well. In several interviews, she's expressed a desire to mentor others facing similar struggles. There's even talk of a potential spin-off or special documentary focusing on her transformation in full, though nothing official has been confirmed. Amy, who has faced her own ups and downs with relationships, motherhood, and weight fluctuations, has reportedly leaned on Tammy more than ever in recent months. They've kind of swapped roles, a source noted. Amy used to be the one taking care of Tammy, but now Tammy is the one offering support and stability. The dynamic shift has breathed new life into the family's story arc, giving fans a rare glimpse into what healing looks like from the inside out. What makes Tammy's transformation so impactful is not just the visual reveal, but the emotional courage behind it. Removing sagging skin, particularly in such a visible area as the face, requires more than just money or access, it requires vulnerability and hope. Tammy's decision to share her journey publicly opens up the conversation about body image, self-worth, and the emotional aftermath of extreme weight loss. It also brings attention to a vital issue often overlooked in weight loss success stories: what happens after the weight is gone. The discomfort, both physical and mental, of living with excess skin can be just as debilitating as the obesity itself. For Tammy, it was a hidden pain, one she rarely spoke about but often hinted at through her struggle to feel attractive and accepted. Now, the smile on her face tells a different story. Whether posing for a selfie, laughing with her siblings, or simply walking with her head held high, Tammy Slaton is making it clear, this is her era. Gone are the days of shame and silence. In their place stands a woman who has faced death and come back determined to live fully, boldly, and on her own terms. As new episodes begin to air and the world gets a closer look at the next chapter of her life, fans can expect more surprises, more emotional moments, and perhaps most of all, a Tammy Slaton they never imagined possible, but always hoped to see. From rock bottom to redemptive rebirth, her story is a living testimony to perseverance, self-belief, and the power of second chances. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more updates. News.